there.
Hello.
Welcome to We Made It.
Welcome back. I'm BJ.
I'm Corey.
We're the maids.
Yes, we are.
And we're going to make another drink.
We are, but not just any drink.
And
actually, we don't even know what we're making today.
We don't even know what's happening today.
So,
because
I don't know if you remember, but this time last year, if you've been following along and following us on Facebook and Instagram,
yes,
I bought BJ these wonderful cocktail dice last year for Christmas. We haven't really used them.
Not really.
To be honest, I'm kind of scared of them.
Do you have any idea? You don't have any idea how long it's been me trying to convince her to do exactly this video. This is a rare treat for you.
Look. When I was in college, my girlfriends and I used to go out on a fairly regular basis. But when we went out, I think Thursday nights.
This is a great story.
There was a bar that did blind shots.
Mm-hmm.
And basically the bartender would go close her eyes and grab 3 bottles from the bar without looking. And you had to do the shot of whatever 3 liquors she grabbed.
It's such a bad idea.
And we became kind of small-time famous
for doing these
in
shots?
this bar because every week we came and we did that first before we went anywhere else.
You were notorious for it. You had a rep.
We did. We had a rep for it. We're looking forward to this. You've been looking forward to this.
I've been looking forward to this for a while. It's just so fun.
I'm terrified.
So
right now.
if the ingredients on the bar look chaotic, it's because they are, and we're certainly not going to use all of them. But between these and the items behind us on the shelves, we think we have pretty much everything that could come up on the dice represented here.
Yes.
And so what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 drinks. We're going to roll the dice, and then we're going to make whatever it tells us to make, and we got to figure it out based on those ingredients. And then we're going to drink it.
Now, do you have to try both of them? Or
here's what I suggest we do here, and we didn't actually talk about this.
No, we didn't. We're making up the rules on the fly.
We should have come up with the rules a little bit more. How about you roll?
Okay, and then I make you a drink?
You make it, and I got to drink it. And then I'll roll, I make it, and you got to drink it.
But I submit that the other person also has to try it so that you are not incentivized to make something disgusting.
No, the goal is to make you like it.
Something good, right?
The goal is to make you like it.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
I'm not trying to gross you out. Are you going to roll first?
Sure.
Okay.
Ladies
so this
first.
is the drink for me.
Uh-huh.
All right. I'm terrified, but let's do it.
I'm so scared. Okay.
What do we got? Oh, no.
Oh, God.
Oh,
okay.
no.
Gin. Oh, gosh. This is going to be so gross. Gin, honey, coffee liqueur, and orange.
Gin, honey, coffee liqueur, and
okay, can I re-roll? I don't feel like this is a good one.
It's
the
gonna
coffee
be
is
terrible.
going to be disgusting.
No, let's find a way to make it work.
I feel like this is going to be gross. And
this
in
is the
the
whole
rules,
point.
we did say you're not allowed just to be like, oh, that's the ingredient. Coffee and orange and honey? Maybe. But with gin?
Let's give it a shot.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to go...
Hurt me. Go ahead, just hurt me.
I'm going to go with 2 ounces because I think you want to taste the gin.
Sure.
I mean, and 2 ounces is pretty standard.
It is.
For a mixed drink. All right. So.
This is where it gets weird, is the Kahlua.
Where it gets weird.
That's weird.
I think I'm going to go with just half an ounce.
Half an ounce?
Because that's
minimize that?
That's not over
the
top.
One of the other things we said is we had to put, like she said earlier, had to put the ingredients in non-negligible amounts. You can't be like, oh, 1 drop of that.
So normally I would do a honey syrup.
Yeah.
But we're just going to go I'm just going to drizzle some honey in there.
Yum, yum, yum. See, the gin and honey I can get with. Even the gin and honey and orange I can get with. It's the coffee that's weird.
I have a suggestion here, and I did not pull it out. But am I allowed to call an audible here and say I want to use orange bitters instead of orange juice?
Sure. I can grab the orange bitters.
I think I can. They're right here. Yep. Oh, if I can find them.
They're over on the side there.
Oh.
Way over.
There they are.
You're going to go with orange bitters instead of orange juice.
I think so.
Okay.
Just because, why not?
Why not?
All right, so I'm going to go with 2 big dashes.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
All right.
And then I'm going to shake that up. This is going to be so gross. I'm just telling you. All right, that's already cold because there's not much in there.
Okay. Ah.
So I'm going to say you're going to want some, let's see. I'm going to go with ginger beer.
You're going to say ginger beer?
Yeah, can you open that ginger beer for me?
I can open that ginger beer.
I mean, coffee, orange, ginger.
I'm going to smell it. I want to smell it. It just smells kind of good. All
right.
We're going to top with that?
Let's top this off with our ginger beer. And I should have got a spoon or a straw or something.
That's okay.
So just poke it.
You can get that little stir.
This is a moment of truth. And truth is, I'm scared.
Gin, orange, honey,
Kahlua.
Coffee, liqueur, and ginger beer.
Yep. How gross is it?
Holy crap.
Is it good?
It's not bad.
Shut up.
The coffee just adds like a little like earthiness to it, and it's not bad.
Shut up. Shut up. Who is the bar master queen?
You're the bar master queen. All right.
Your turn.
My turn.
It's your turn.
How scared are you?
I'm really scared, actually.
You want me to set this right here? You can keep sipping on that.
Well, it's supposed to be yours, though.
Well, I'm just telling you, you might need to be drunk by the time I make this next thing.
All right. Oh, my God. What do we have?
Oh, well, that's
going to
easy.
be delightful.
Oh, come on. Okay, so I got vodka, honey, cherry liqueur, and peach.
Oh, my God. Yum. Do you want Luxardo?
Yes, I'll take the Luxardo, the maraschino liqueur. I think I'm going to go with peach vodka.
Okay.
To go with the peach nectar.
All righty.
We really like this Deep Eddy brand, by the way.
So I got your own thingy, so
you got my own thing?
Have to rinse one out. Okay. You got your own shaker,
Got my own shaker. Oh, my goodness, this is great. Okay.
Oh, man.
I'm going to stick with, I'm going to make a martini.
Okay.
I'm going to say this is going to go in one of these.
Yeah, this is kind of exciting.
Okay. I am going to use 2 ounces again.
Okay.
I'm going to use 2.5 ounces of the peach vodka.
Right, because this is...
It is...
If you're not adding anything else to it...
Ice cubes, yeah.
Ice cubes or anything. I'm going to go ahead and fill my glass.
Okay. Yeah, you do that. So I'm going to go with maybe that much right there.
Like half a teaspoon.
I'm going to say that's only a 1/4 ounce or so.
Yeah.
All right.
That's all I did in mine, too. Was just a little bit. Shake that up.
Yeah.
It's sitting in the bar.
This is peach nectar, which is sweetened as well.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm going to open it over here in case it's a little bit... There we go.
We didn't check the expiration on that. I hope it's cool.
It's cool. If not, it's just you. I'm going to go with 1.5 ounces of that.
What did you get for Christmas, Corey? Food poisoning.
Yes. Botulism.
Aww.
Okay.
Now I'm curious.
Luxardo.
Oh, 2020, we're good.
Oh, we're fine.
It's not 2020 yet.
Luxardo is actually a fairly bitter maraschino, so don't overdo it with Luxardo. I'm going to go with 1/2 ounce of that. Altogether, my math says that should be 4.5 ounces plus a little honey worth of stuff in there. And those comfortably hold 5 ounces with a little space above. So I'm going to say that's good enough. It might not be all the way full when we're done, but I think...
You're going to shake that till it's too cold to hold?
Too cold to hold. We'll be right back. Okay, that's too cold to hold.
Right. I'm going to dump out my ice.
Dump out your ice. Bring that over here.
Cold martini glass.
And over we go.
Alrighty. Oh, look at that. It's like you planned it or something.
Almost like I planned it.
All right.
Wife, show me how it's done.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that Luxardo is so bitter.
Really? With only 1/2 ounce?
Yeah.
Yeah, I overdid it. I poured too heavy with the Luxardo?
It's just front and center. Here, I'm going to fix it.
What are you doing?
Are you ready?
Oh. Okay. Top with ginger beer.
I'm going to fix it right now.
Just like that. Add a little sweetness, a little complexity.
Ginger beer makes everything better.
It really kind of does.
Like literally everything.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
To our weird drinks.
Mm-hmm. Mm. There it is.
There it is.
Ginger peach.
Ginger peach.
Which is a very good combination.
Great combo. Mm-hmm.
Totally drinkable.
Totally drinkable.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Super close, though, man.
Not bad.
Right out the gate.
Not bad.
Who wins?
Win?
Is there a winner?
I don't know. I feel like we both win, maybe. Yours was more drinkable. Gone. Yeah. Yours was more drinkable right out the gate.
Yeah.
In spite of the fact that you definitely got the worst roll.
I did. I know.
Like,
I'm just good.
It was a good modification. I think your masterstroke was subbing out orange juice for orange bitters.
Bitters, yeah.
Yeah, that was smart. Mm-hmm. Always thinking this one.
Mm-hmm. So where can they find us if they want to follow us along for the rest of the Christmas season?
We are on all the social media, all the ones that matter. We're on Facebook and on Instagram at We Made It Cocktails, and we're on Twitter at We Made It Drinks.
Yep. Go find us on all of those places. Click that follow button or the like button, whatever is appropriate.
Yes.
And you'll see all of our content. If you're watching this on one of those or found us via one of those sites, go follow us on YouTube.
Yes, we're on YouTube.
So that you get immediate notifications. Right. Click the follow and the turn on your notifications.
The subscribe.
Down there somewhere.
Yeah, it's in there.
So that you get notifications when we post new content, new videos.
Right. And when we get to a certain number of subscribers on YouTube, then we get our own custom link.
Yes.
Which means we could tell you what it is.
Right.
Because right now it's some horrible
12-line thing.
Like bajillions of letters and numbers.
It's horrid.
You just have to search for We Made It.
So if you're watching this on YouTube, go to one of our social channels, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, because we post lots of stuff on there that is not videos.
That's correct.
Since December 1st, we've been posting something every single day for the Christmas season. Some of those are just recipes we've typed out. Mm-hmm. Some of them are throwbacks to this time last year. Oh, yeah. If you have not gone back and watched some of those, go back and watch our old stuff because there's some really good stuff. Go back and make some of the stuff from last year.
The mulled wine.
Make the mulled wine. Make them the
Tenenbaum.
The Tenenbaum.
Oh, yes.
I don't know why I can never remember what it's called.
Because we named it a weird thing.
I always think like the Christmas tree drink.
Yes.
Because it smells like a Christmas tree.
It does smell like a Christmas tree.
So go make everything.
Please do.
And tell us what you think. We always want your opinion. Let us know what you're making this holiday season. And we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, wonderful week, and a very Merry Christmas.
From We Made It.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
I'm out.
We're out.
We're out.
I think anyway.
I'll have to make one of these right here.
I feel like the 90s was full of weird liquors. Like
we invented some gnarly shit.
Some gnarly shit that shouldn't have been things. There were a lot of pre-packaged things.
Yeah.
Then
the Jack Daniel's Lynchburg lemonade.
Oh yeah.
Not bad, lady.
Not too bad. There's a lot of talk in there. You're gonna have a lot of editing to do.
It's okay. You'll just owe me sexual favors in exchange.
Oh boy.
For all my hard work.
All your hard what?
All my hard what? What are we talking about?
Smirnoff Ice was super popular in the late 90s.
Bacardi Raz.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Had a lot of those. You can help relaxing.
Sometimes I feel that way.
Back rub.
I get tense and I feel
quickie?
like I'm no.
You don't want to
ask me when we're done with this.
Behind the bar real quick right now before we start.
Ask me when we're done. So I don't really like any of the prepackaged stuff. I need to work for it. If I'm too drunk to mix myself a drink or pull the cork out of a bottle, I should just stop.